In Math with McComish, we're going to go over what the median is. It's another measure of central tendency, but it's different than the mean, so we're going to look at what it is. The median is the middle number of a set of data. In order to find the median, the data must be arranged in order, either greatest to least or least to greatest, and then we can find what the middle number is. Let's look at an example. So on 9 holes of golf, you got the following scores. There's 9 scores here. We're going to find what the median is. So what we have to do is order these, and I have them ordered here from least to greatest. Then I can find what the middle number is. So I could just count from either end. So 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. So the very middle number is a 5. So that is my median. The median is 5 for this set of data. Okay, let's look at another one. Here are the scores on a test. Find the median. So the first step we have to do always to do median is order them. So I'm going to order them from least to greatest here. So 65, 70, 73, 85, 100. And then I just have to find the middle number. Well, there's 2 on each side of this one, so 73 is the middle number. It's the median. Now, those other examples were easier because there was an odd number of data points. This one's a little bit trickier, but we still start the same way. We order them. So 7, 13, 15, 25. Now, if we were to try to find the middle number, those are the outsides. The 2 middle numbers are 13 and 15. Well, there can't be 2 medians of a set of data. So what you have to do is if there's an even number of data points, you have to find the average or the mean of the middle 2 numbers. So I'm going to take my middle 2 numbers, 13 and 15, and average them out. So what I could do is go 13 plus 15 and then divide that by 2 because we're just finding the average of the middle 2 numbers. So that's why I divide by 2. So this would be 28 divided by 2, which is 14, which you could have easily just used inspection to find that out. But when you get harder ones, you might want to actually calculate it. So the median for this set of data is 14 because we had to average the middle 2 numbers. So let's take a look at these rules. If there is an odd number of data points, the median is the middle number. Okay, so there is an actual number. You just have to count from the outsides and find the middle one. If it is an even number of data points, the median is actually the mean of the middle 2 numbers only. But you have to make sure that you still order them. That's the first step, always. So let's look at another even example. We have 6 data points here, but we start by ordering them from least to greatest or greatest to least. It doesn't really matter. Then I'm going to look at my middle 2 numbers. So the middle 2 numbers are 4 and 5 on this one. And I'm going to find the average of 4 and 5. So just go 4 plus 5, which is 9. Divide that by 2, and I would get 4.5 is the median of this data. You can't get decimal points. Another odd example. So if I were to order them, this time they're ordered from greatest to least. It doesn't really matter. My middle point is 9. So that's the odd examples are more simple than the even, but that is how we are going to calculate the median of a set of data.